Come test drive the 2020 Tacoma. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, rear step bumper, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 115-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, power door locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.